guys, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, I'm going to share with you a face pack which is best for oily skin. If you have oily skin, then this face pack will work as a miracle to your skin. It will remove all kinds of dark spots, pigmentation and oily and greasiness from your skin, and will also help in removing pimples, acne and acne scars from your skin, and will make your skin really spotless and crystal clear. So now let's see what are the ingredients do we need to prepare this face pack. So the first ingredient which we need to prepare this face mask is Multani Mitti powder, which is also known as Fuller's Earth powder. Next up we are gonna need honey. Then we are gonna need lemon. After that we are gonna need rose water. And the last ingredient, which is a magical ingredient for all the oily skin people, is papaya paste, or you can even use a papaya juice if you have that, but I'm just using a papaya paste which I've just made by just grinding or blending the papaya to just make a smooth paste out of it. So now let's prepare this face pack, and to prepare this face pack we firstly gonna take 2 to 3 teaspoons of Multani Mitti powder in a clean bowl. After that we'll add this papaya paste into it, and I'm just adding 2 to 3 teaspoons of this papaya paste into this face pack. And after adding the papaya paste, I'm just adding 2 teaspoons of honey into it. After adding the honey, I'm squeezing half lemon into it. And after squeezing the lemon, you just need to give a good mix to all these ingredients so that they all make a smooth paste out of it. And after mixing all these ingredients really well, now it's the time to add the last ingredient, which is the rose water. And I'm adding approx 2 teaspoons of rose water into it. And now after adding the rose water, I'm just going to mix all these ingredients again really nicely. And after mixing all these ingredients really well, your homemade face pack, which is best for oily skin, is ready, and it will look something like this. And the consistency of this paste should be medium, which is neither so thick and nor so runny, and it should be so much smooth and lump free. So this face pack is best for oily skin people because this face pack have all the ingredients which works really well for oily skin. Multani Mitti powder is known to fight acne and pimples. It helps to remove excess sebum and oil from your skin and just deeply cleanses your skin, removing dirt, sweat and impurities from your skin. This face pack also helps in even out your skin tone and helps to brighten your skin complexion. It also helps in treating suntan and pigmentation problem because it has lemon and honey, which works really well in removing the suntan and the pigmentation problem. It also helps in fading away all your dark spots, acne scars and pimples and acne from your skin, and will just make your skin spotless, clear and just brighter than before. So now let me tell you how to use this face pack for best results. So you just need to apply this face pack all over your face and neck, and you can apply this face pack using a brush, or you can even use your fingertips to apply this face pack. And you just need to apply an even and a thick layer of this face pack all over your skin. Now after applying an even and thick layer of this face pack all over your skin, you just need to leave it to dry completely for about 20 or 25 minutes. And once it dried completely, you just need to wash your skin thoroughly with normal water and then pat dry and moisturize your skin. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.